An e-machine will increase your production and improve your profitability. I'm Bert from Equating. I'm here to talk to you in this short video about how an e-machine is going to increase your production. So you might say, how does an e-machine increase your production? Well, it's proven with electric motors you have higher torque, higher energy and more instant power. Compared to the hydraulic motors or even direct drive to an engine, you have that loss of up to 25%. So through these gains, it's instant results and off the belt in your factory, causing better production. So we've given a real life example here in this calculation showing a diesel hydraulic machine compared to a fully electric unit, and this is giving you 10% gains equating to 285 tonnes in a day. So that goes straight to your bottom line. But to be fair, a real life example we've had is a Keestrack H4 cone versus a diesel hydraulic cone, and the increases were actually 30%. The other point to note with these e-machines, being more reliable than the electric motors equates to straight extra production, giving you more production per tonne and also less time required to meet your targeted numbers. The other thing to add to this, we'll have less maintenance and downtime with an e-machine, also enhancing your uptime, giving you better production. If you'd like to know more about how an e-machine will increase your productivity, please make contact with the team here at Equating. So if you could improve your production, what would this do to your business?